Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you some more advanced features of Google Sites to punch up your website even more. So the first thing is you can um, look at the header. Now, it's important to understand that there are headers and footers and and also your standard content area of a page. Okay, so make sure that when you are putting something um, into a section, you understand what those two um, things mean. So, a header will be at the top of your page and it will populate itself on every single page. So, that section will be exactly the same no matter what page you do it to. Okay, as far as the size goes, and the layout. Okay, so if you notice on my home page, my About Me page, my Building and Design page, my Contact Me page, the header is this dark section. It's always the same and the same layout. Okay, so again, if I go to my home page, I can change the header type when this little section here you click on. Okay, and I can change it. Right now, it's on banner, meaning that that there's this banner of an image on the top before your content. Or I can put title only, and title only will remove that background and only put the title. Or I could put large banner. The banner takes up a larger section of your screen, or cover, which means that your entire screen is taken up. Okay, so that's just a visual look to your website. Okay, so I'm going to just change it back to banner. Okay, so the other section here, if you go to the left here, I can click on the navigation settings, so this little settings wheel. Okay, and I can change the type of navigation from top to side. Okay, and if you look at now, I changed it to side, and when I look at um, my navigation, okay, there's a sidebar here, okay, which I can click on, and I can look at and click on my navigation to my different pages here. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. I'm going to change it back to top navigation. Okay, you can add a logo. Okay, so a logo image is I can select it from my images, or again, let's say Makerspace logo. Search for that. Okay, let's see. I like this one here. Okay, so now I put a logo in here, and I can change the background of the logo and all that stuff. Okay, so it put a logo next to the name of my website. Okay, so another option you can do is change the background image of this header. And again, I click here, and I can select an image again. And again, let's search for Makerspace. Okay, and I like this classroom one here. I'm going to put that in there. And it now changed the background image to something that is more appropriate. Okay. Now, if you look at when I click on Building and Design, okay, it did not change the background image of that page. Same with robotics and all that. However, the header, the form is here as well. Okay, so in the next video, I'll show you some additional stuff.